Good morning all of you. Audio video clear? Welcome all. Please mention in the chat whether the audio video is clear. Good morning. Yes. So today we are discussing the topic distance and direction. So this is a very interesting topic, and this is a topic not only useful for GATE exam, for other competitive exam also. This topic is very important, NET exams, CET exams and other government exams also. So please invite your friends to attend the session, and GATE aspirants, all GATE aspirants ये course equally useful होगा. Engineering stream students, pure science stream students, all people ये course common है क्योंकि GATE General Aptitude common for all streams. So, and this is the bio of me, and this is how you can be part of my Telegram channel and WhatsApp group for more free resources. And there is a dedicated Telegram channel for GATE course itself that is there in the description of this video, and the full playlist also is there in the description of this video, so that you can access the missed lectures if you have missed any of the previous lectures. These are the books I have written, and this is currently the bestseller book available for CSIR-NET Part A preparation, those who are preparing for CSIR-NET exam. Okay, so हम शुरू करेगा अभी. डिस्टेंस एंड डायरेक्शन में कुछ क्वेश्चंस में सिर्फ डिस्टेंस इन्वॉल्व होगा, कुछ क्वेश्चंस में डायरेक्शंस, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन में डिस्टेंस एंड डायरेक्शन दोनों इन्वॉल्व है, स्पेशली गेट एग्जाम में. डिस्टेंस एंड डायरेक्शन दोनों इन्वॉल्व है, तो द थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू बी क्लियर अबाउट इज, first of all, direction should be clear. North, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. ये 8 direction clear होना चाहिए. Not 4 direction only. 8 directions should be clear. Northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest is what? North or east के in between is northeast. North or west के in between is northwest. West and south in between is southwest. South and east in between is southeast. तो वो भी क्लियर होना चाहिए इन क्वेश्चंस. दैट आइडिया इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड टू रिमेंबर दैट यू कैन यूज द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इंडियन मैप. you know the states in India, at least where they belong to. Is it north or south or east or west? So that way you can remember north, south, east, west. And north or east in between, northeastern states, the seven sisters, or the states on the northeast, that is towards the right top corner, right, in the map. So that way you can remember if you have confusions in the directions. Anyway, you should be clear about these 8 directions. And कुछ question में ये Pythagoras theorem और Pythagorean triplet also बहुत ही important है. Pythagoras theorem सबको पता है ना, एक right triangle में base square plus height square is hypotenuse square. In geometry class and in mensuration class we had used it. So I hope it is clear. But in some question, Pythagorean triplet is also important. Triplet which satisfies Pythagoras theorem is called Pythagorean triplet. Triplet which satisfies Pythagoras theorem. For example, 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet because 3 square plus 4 square is 5 square. 5, 12, 13 is Pythagorean. 7, 24, 25 is Pythagorean, etc. And any multiple of a Pythagorean triplet is Pythagorean. 3, 4, 5 का डबल है 6, 8, 10, वो भी Pythagorean है, मतलब 6 square plus 8 square will be 10 square. So the relevance of Pythagorean triplet is, in a triangle if you are seeing 3, 4, 5, suddenly you can conclude that वो right triangle होगा. Secondly, एक right triangle दिया है, उसका 2 sides for example 7 और 25 दिया है, तो we can say the third hypotenuse will be 25. So that are some of the applications of Pythagorean triplet and Pythagoras theorem. So if that is also clear, then another thing you need to know is trigonometry. Trigonometry भी कुछ questions में important है. You should know what is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, at least these three, and at least tan of these values you should know. At least sin and cos also, if you know, it is better, but at least tan you should be clear about. I am sure or almost sure most of you are clear about trigonometry. If not, go through this and note down what you have forgotten, because all these things you have learned in school days. So itna clear hai na? So these are some of the basic things you need to know from distance and direction. हाँ, distance and direction का बहुत सारा questions है. Distance, direction sense test is one such question. In GATE exam, direction sense test is not like traditional direction sense test where question is saying right, left, up, down. They make it little more trickier most of the question. 1 or 2 times only they have asked directly that people are moving to left, right, top, down, likewise. So I will show you questions so that you get an exact idea how the questions come. So itna clear hai na? And in some question trigonometry use करने के जगह similarity of triangle use किया तो भी चलेगा. Geometry chapter में similarity of triangle we have discussed when I discussed triangle. So check out my lecture on geometry in this course, those who missed it. So similarity of triangle, very briefly I will repeat. Two triangles can be called similar. There are different ways. If two of their angles are equal, they can be called similar. If this is 90, this is 90. Say this is 30, this is also 30. Then this triangle is similar to this triangle. Yeah, then obviously third angle will be equal using angle sum property. Though triangle similar है तो उसका sides का ratio proportional होगा. This side by this side will be equal to this side by this side will be equal to this side by this side. Why it is proportional? Because this is like ये image का एक magnified image है ना, ये ऐसा सोचो magnified image है तो ये double हो रहा है. तो for example if this is 2 then if this is 4, similarly if this is say, I am just giving random values, if this is say 1.5, this will be 3, and if this, yeah, this should be Pythagoras theorem, so I will take 3 4 5 itself. 3 4 5 3 4 5 है तो ये 8 है तो in case this is 8, 3 का डबल 6 होना चाहिए, ये 5 का डबल 10 होना चाहिए ये. That is quite obvious na. In school days we have learned it as formula AB by XY is equal to AC by XZ is equal to BC by YZ. But understand what we are saying by that. That is more important. Not only angle, two angle equal is one possibility. SAS condition also, two sides equal and the in between angle equal. This side equal, this side equal, and in between angle equal, then also the triangle are similar. Similar hai to the property can be applied. Similarly, SSS, तीनों sides equal hai to bhi we can say that the triangles are similar. So that conditions, you know, with questions you will get more clarity on that. Actually, most of the cases either similarity या trigonometry, any one of it is enough. दोनों तरीके से many questions can be done. Similarity use किया तो भी चलेगा, trigonometry use किया तो भी चलेगा. I will explain more about it with questions. Okay, we'll start with a simple question. This little tricky. Just a minute. Yeah, with this we will start. Try this 2021 GATE exam problem. Let's start the timer also. Try this, all of you. 2 minutes. It's a very good question. Okay, some of you got an answer. Let's see. So it's very simple if you have the direction idea. So this is kind of a direction sense test only, but you should be clear about that front door, back door. That's the only thing that is little bit at least confusing, but it is simple only. The front door of Mr. X's house faces east. So if this is the front door, it is facing east. If you assume this is east, so definitely this will be the west direction, na? Back door is facing west. Mr. X leaves the house walking 50 meters straight from the back door that is situated directly opposite to the front door. Ye front door hai to ye back door hai. So look at this visualization. By this you will be clear, I guess. So the person is moving like this. Through the back door, 50 meter he is traveling and reaching here. And then he did what? He turns to his right. From here he is turning right. Yeah, you always tell when you are drawing in a paper, you have the luxury of turning the paper instead of turning the head. Some people turn the head and imagine right will be what? That will be a pain for your neck also, and that is not advisable in exam hall at all. In the you have a paper that you are representing, then turn the paper towards your face and then see right and left. That will be better. So anyway, yeah, I cannot turn the screen, so you can imagine that this will be right. So that is 50 meter right. So he is reaching somewhere here. He stops. The direction of the point Mr. X is now located. He is now here. Located at with respect to the starting point. This was the starting point. So this is the direction. What direction this is? This is north. This is east. So north, this is west. North and west in between. So northwest is the direction. Northwest is the direction. All of you understood how it is northwest? Please respond. That's why I told you should be clear about all the 8 directions. Yeah, clear hai to we'll go to the next question. So it's a question where the direction idea should be clear. Distance, too much tweaking or any Pythagoras theorem, nothing is needed. Yeah, if the question was asking how much distance, then what will be the answer? This is right triangle, so you can say root of 50 square plus 50 square will be the answer, because this is 50, this is 50. Are you getting the point? That is 2500 plus 2500, 5000 square root. 5000 square root will be the answer. That is almost 71 will be the distance between starting point and the finishing point. If all of you clear, let's go to the next question. Material fall gate in the Telegram channel you can find, Vijaya. In the Telegram channel itself you can find. In the description of this video, that Telegram channel link is given. So try this question. This is an easy one. Try this, all of you. Vijay is asking, will he see towards the north or east? He will be seeing towards the north. North, Vijaya. He will be looking towards north, but that is not the question, na? Question is asking with respect to starting point, where is the finishing point? 2019 GATE exam problem. Yeah, the distance idea is more involved. In some competitive exam, this direction sense test question is maximum. That is a reasoning topic actually. But in GATE exams, NET exam, etc., this calculation part is involved. Questions are also more. Okay. So on a horizontal ground, the base of a straight ladder is 6 meters away from the base of a vertical pole. So there is a vertical pole, there is a ladder. The ladder makes an angle 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree to the horizontal. To the horizontal means to the horizontal line it is situated. If the ladder is resting at a point located at 1/5 of the height of the pole from the bottom. So if this is x, total length is 5x. Or we can say if total is x, this is x by 5. Are you understanding? That is up to you which perspective you think. And from that you can find the value in a height of the pole. Or look at the picture. Look at this picture. If I consider this is x, uska 1/6 होगा ये. Before that, ये 45 degree है ना. Triangle का property use करके first of all you can find this. How? Question says that this is 6 meter. Where it is written 6 meter away from the base. So ये length 6 meter है. ये 45 degree और ये 90 degree है ना. तो angle sum property से तीसरा angle भी 45 होना चाहिए. एक ट्रायंगल का वन एंगल 90 वन एंगल 45 तो तीसरा एंगल 45 होना ही चाहिए. 180 minus 45 minus 90 is 45. दैट मीन्स दिस इज आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है तो ये 6 मीटर है तो ये भी 6 मीटर होगा क्योंकि आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल का 2 साइड्स इक्वल होना चाहिए. कौन सा 2 साइड्स? ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ इक्वल एंगल्स आर इक्वल. दैट मीन्स यस 45 का ऑपोजिट 6, 45 का ऑपोजिट 6, ये दोनों 6 होना चाहिए. मतलब ये लेंथ 6 है. Question is asking what? Height of the pole. Question is saying that this 6 is 1/5 of the total length x. If total length x, 1/6 is 1/5 is 6. 1/5 of x is 6 means x is equal to 30. एक number का 1/5 6 है. So वो number 6, 5 times 6, 30 होगा ना. So 30 meter is the answer. All clear? How option C is the answer? If that is clear, let's go to the next question. Yeah, this one is little complicated. I will come back to it. Before that, we will go for a little more easier question. Try this. Any of you got it right? Simple, right? So this question can be done in 2 ways. First of all, let us visualize a situation. That is a first step in these kinds of questions to understand what the question is exactly saying. So a 1.5 meter tall person is standing at a distance of 3 meter from a lamp post. So if I represent it this way, I can represent it. There's a lamp post. The height of the lamp post is our required unknown. So let us consider that as x. 1.5 meter tall person. So the height of the person is 1.5 meter. At a distance of 3 meter from the lamp post. So she is 3 meter away from the lamp post. So this length is 3 meter. The light from the lamp at the top of the post casts her shadow. So this light is posting a shadow like this. So this is the shadow of her. This is the shadow of her. The length of the shadow is twice her height. Length of the shadow is twice her height means 1.5 ka twice 3 meter hai length of the shadow. Are you all understanding? Then height of the lamp post in meters is ये x meter क्या होगा? Again ये question दो तरीके से कर सकता है. Either similarity of triangle use कर सकता है. This triangle and this triangle, they are similar. Why they are similar? This angle is 90, this angle is 90. This theta is common for both the triangles. So दो angles equal है तो वो triangle similar हो गया ना. A condition, angle condition. So ये दो triangle similar है तो ये 3 है तो ये क्या है? Total क्या है? 6 है ना. AD length and this the 3. 3 by 6 is equal to 1.5 by x लिख सकता है ना. 3 by 6 is equal to 1.5 by x. That is 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. X is equal to 1.5 into 2. 3 is the answer. Are you all understanding this? X is how 3. Similarity of triangle use करके. Similarity of triangle पसंद नहीं है तो trigonometry use कर सकता है. That way also you can do. This is the trigonometric way. This is theta na. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent, so 1.5 by 3 in this triangle. In this big triangle, tan theta is opposite to x by 6. So that tan theta is anyway equal na. Same theta ka tan hai, so definitely that will be equal. So 1.5 by 2 is equal to x by 6. वो simplify किया तो भी x का value same मिलेगा. Are you understanding? Yeah, both are literally the same thing itself. This is what I told about the similarity idea. Again, you don't have to write these steps if you are understanding it properly. Because ऐसा सोच सकता है ये triangle का एक enlarged version है ना ये triangle. और ये देखो ये 3 है, ये 3 का डबल 6 हो गया. तो ये 1.5 है तो ये 1.5 का डबल 3 होगा. That is how to intuitively conclude it. That is the advantage of getting into the idea and instead of using formula. That is what I am trying to train you throughout this course. So these steps are just for those people who cannot do it without steps. But if you can do it without steps, that is much better and that will save a lot of time. 3 का डबल 6 हो गया, 1.5 का डबल 2 होना चाहिए. That is the meaning of, for similar triangles, their ratio of sides are equal, or their ratio of sides are proportional. So if that is clear, let's go to the next question. Yeah, this one is an easy one, very fast you try. This chapter is comparatively easy and except 2-3 questions which came in few exams, few years. Try this all of you. Here distance and direction are involved. Draw the picture, then it will be easy. Okay, so I'll explain. So I'll draw the rough picture very fast, or I'll explain you how to draw the picture in case anyone have doubt. Fatima starts from the point P. So P I can draw anywhere. I will just take this as point P. Goes north for 3 kilometers. So this is north. North, yeah, you should be clear about all directions. North, south, east, west, and the northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest also. So north is to the top for 3 kilometer, and then east for 4 kilometer. East is 4 kilometer like this to reach point Q. So this is point Q. She then turns to face point P. ये point P face करके goes 15 kilometer in that direction. So when you start drawing itself, this is 3, this is 4. Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet if you use, you can know that Q to P length will be 5. But she is not traveling 5 kilometer, वो 15 kilometer travel कर रहा है. So she is continue traveling in that line itself. So 5, 15 के लिए और 10 kilometer जा रहा है ना. She is traveling 10 more kilometer after traveling that 5 kilometer hypotenuse. वो clear है अभी? So that this 15 kilometer is completed. She then goes north for 6 kilometer. अभी यहाँ से north 6 kilometer जा रहा है. North 6 kilometer. How far is she from the point P, and in which direction should she go to reach point? So to reach point P, she should go in this direction. Na? What direction it is? It is the east direction, na? Rightward. So east वाला answer ही possible है. So बाकी दो option को eliminate कर सकता है, because she should go to the right, that is east. It cannot be north, so that can be eliminated. अभी 6 kilometer है या 8 kilometer है? This is already 6 ना. This is already 6. Now listen very carefully. This is anyway right triangle. Right triangle ये 10 है, ये 6 है. I told you about Pythagorean triplet. I told you any Pythagorean triplet का double triple ये सब Pythagorean है. 3 4 5 का double किया तो 6 8 10 मिलेगा. वो एक Pythagorean triplet है. ये देखो ये 6 है, ये 10 है. So definitely तीसरा side 8 होना ही चाहिए, because this is a right triangle. Are you understanding? Please respond. Now some of you may be saying how you can prove that it is a right triangle. Otherwise the answer cannot be east or north. It will be some northeast, southeast, southwest, southeast. Secondly, ये दो triangle compare किया तो भी वो find कर सकता है. ये देखो 3 4 5, ये 6 10. So definitely this is like double of this triangle. ये triangle का zoomed in version है ये triangle. Are you all understanding? So that way you can say this should definitely be 8, क्योंकि ये 5 का डबल है ना. ये hypotenuse 5, इसका डबल है 10. So ये 3 का डबल 6. So ये 4 का डबल 8 होना चाहिए. ऐसा भी सोच सकता है. So anyway, that should be 8 kilometer east, option A. All clear? Option A, how it is the answer. Then I will give you a twisted version of the same question asked in 2015. Little more twisted version. Not this one. Try this one. Instead of Fatima, it is Vivek here who is traveling, but he is not traveling north, south, east, west. He is traveling northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest mainly in the beginning. Try this super fast. Okay, so here drawing the picture correctly is very important. Mr. Vivek walks 6 meter northeast. First, north, south, east, west is clear. Northeast means between north and east. This is northeast. This is southeast, is this south and east in between. This is southwest and this is northwest. North and west in between. Okay, so let us denote according to the data. Mr. Vivek walks 6 meter northeast. So like this, 6 meter. Then he turns and walks 6 meters southeast. Southeast is this direction. That means if this is south and this is east, southeast is this direction. Then comes a question, in what direction? Southeast itself. Southeast, actually this is southeast, this is southeast, this is southeast. So exactly we can say using the angle mentioned in the question. Where the angle is mentioned, look at this, both at 60 degree to the east. 60 degree to the east means this is the east direction. Sorry. Yeah, in the first case also that problem is there. I will show you. First 6 meter, this is 60 to the east. This is the east wala line. Na? To this should be 60 degree. And then from here, southeast is this direction. This angle should also be 60 to the east. This is the east direction. To the east 60 means this should be 60. Are you understanding that point correctly? Sorry, southeast both at 60 degrees to the east. Here the east is this line, uska 60. Here the east is this line, uska 60. So I hope that much is clear. One second. Yeah. Continuing, he further moves 2 meters south. So after reaching here, he moves 2 meters south. South means this direction, 2 meter, and 4 meter west. West means this direction, 4 meter. Is this much clear to all? Then, what is the straight line in meters between the point? Straight line distance in meters between the point he started from and the point he finally reached. He started from here, he reached here. This straight line is what you need to find. This is our required unknown x. ये find करने का easy तरीका ये है. This triangle you can consider. ये दोनों sides पता है तो you can use Pythagoras theorem. Are you all understanding? Now look at this. As you drawn this line parallel to this, ये 4 है तो ये भी 4 होगा ना. Now comes the thing. This is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Then this will also be 60 degree. Because these are two parallel lines and the transversal alternate interior angles are equal. ये 60 है, ये 60 है, ये दोनों 60 है तो ये confirm 60 होगा ना. Angle sum property use करके. That's why I told you geometry वाला idea ये chapter में भी important है. So 60, 60, 60. So definitely these all are equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. I am telling about this ABC triangle. As it is equilateral, ये 6 है, ये 6 है, ये भी 6 है, ये total 6 है, इतना 4 है, इतना 4 है तो बाकी 2 होना चाहिए ना. So this is 2 and this is 2, then this is also 2. Are you understanding? So this triangle I will call that DE. ACE triangle, right triangle है, दो sides 2 है, तीसरा side Pythagoras theorem use करके find कर सकता है. 2 square plus 2 square का square root, that is 8 का square root. 8 square root is 2 root 2 because 8 is 4 into 2. 4 is square root of 2. Sorry, 4 square root is 2. So 2 root 2 will be the correct answer. How many of you understood this? Yeah, a little more trickier than the previous question, but interesting one, right? All of you clear or not? Respond please. If it is clear, mention please. And those of you are watching this session, do hit the like button if you feel that this session is useful. That will help this video to reach to more people. And after the class, you can comment on this video also, those of you are watching this live or recorded. All clear? So that was a very good question. That is why I told you north, south, east, west hi nahi. North east, northwest, south east, southwest be clear hona chahiye. Okay, if that is also clear, let's go to the next question. Yeah, this is little tricky one. I will come back to this. I have to teach you one or two more concepts. We'll do that first and then come back. आइए question try करिए. This is also an interesting one. GATE 2021 problem. All of you try it. Very true, Preeti. Drawing the diagram correctly is very important. Visual method is very important in this chapter. Vijaya, GATE book, actually we have started the work but don't know how much time it will take. It may take some time. I don't think it will be ready before the upcoming GATE exam. Any answers? Some of you got option C. Let's see whether it is right. Okay. So on a planar field you traveled 3 units east from point O. So I will show the picture to save time. So point O से शुरू किया 3 unit to the east. East is rightward direction ना, east. Next you travel 4 units south. So 4 units south. This is 4 units. To arrive at point P, then you travel from P in the northeast direction, south, and then from here northeast direction. Northeast means this is north, this is east, so northeast is this direction. So that means like this. Northeast direction such that you arrive at a point that is 6 units east of point O. Listen very carefully. You reach a point, I am calling that point B. वो B का स्पेशलिटी क्या है? वो B O से 6 यूनिट अवे है. O to B distance 6 units है. That is what this sentence is saying. 6 units east of point O. 6 unit east means this is already 3 unit. Remaining will be 3 units. So ये AB length भी 3 unit होगा. Are you all understanding? AB length is also 3 unit. Next you traveled in the northwest direction from B northwest. This is north, this is west. So northwest direction is this. So that you arrive at a point Q that is 8 units north of point P. ये Q and P के in between 8 units है. ये 8 units है. And we already know this is 4 units. So remaining is going to be 4 unit itself. AQ length 4 units होगा. Distance between point Q to point A. Q to O is what is asked. So we know that AQ is 4, OA is 3. So right triangle है. So Pythagoras theorem और Pythagorean triplet 3 4 है तो तीसरा side 5 होना ही चाहिए. That is the relevance of Pythagorean triplet. It saves some time. Very true, Aniket. That is very true. Many directions here, na? Almost all directions. All clear. After the picture, it is very simple, na? Yeah, drawing the picture, you should be careful, but after that, it is not difficult at all. If you successfully drawn the picture. If that is clear, one more question I will show you, which is little more trickier. Yeah, this one also, this one I'll come back to. This one is done. This is also done. This is also, yeah, this one you try. Little more complicated question. Calculation is there. You can use calculator for the time being. In GATE exam also calculator will be provided, virtual calculator. Anyway, try the picture. Drawing the picture properly is the trick. After that, some calculation is there, which you can simplify using virtual calculator also. Very good question this is.
Same from laptop delay 5 TB.
Okay. No one got an answer. And those of you want the Telegram channel link, I have tagged in the live chat now. Tower A is 90-meter tall and Tower B is 140-meter tall. They are 100-meter apart. So the towers I can draw like this. This is Tower A, which is 90-meter tall. Tower B, which is 140-meter tall. So Tower B is taller. So they are 100-meter apart. So distance between the towers are 100 meter is mentioned in the question. A horizontal skywalk. So in between there is a skywalk like this. Yeah, in some malls and all shopping malls you can see this. Connecting two buildings or connecting to sometimes connecting to twin malls are there some places, especially in Delhi you can see, and in many places. So in twin malls also you can see the same. There will be a skywalk connecting the two malls or two buildings. So anyway, like a skywalk, like that there is a skywalk here. Connects the floors at 70 meter in both the towers. So yes, 70 meter pe, iska bhi 70 meter, iska bhi 70 meter, there is a skywalk like this. If the taut rope means very tightly held rope, tightly connected rope, connects the top of tower A to the bottom of tower B. So there is a rope from the top of tower A to the bottom of tower B like this. This is that rope. Are you clear about this rope, how it is tied? Then at what distance from tower A will the rope intersect the skywalk? So here tower A to this distance, this is our required unknown x. A intersection hai na? Yeah, a skywalk, don't think that it have a height, it have only a width. So it is negligible height. So that point that it cuts, because it's a 2D image, that is why some of you may think that this is a height, then where it is touching, here or here. No, this is a flat thing which is having negligible height. So this distance x is from the tower A, the point of intersection of the skywalk and the rope, that length, that distance x is what we need to find. सबको clear है अभी question what is asking? Please mention, is this clear or not? Now ये दो triangle consider करना काफ़ी है ना, like we did in many questions today. ये थीटा है तो ये भी थीटा होगा, क्यों? Vertically opposite angles they are. और ये 90 डिग्री है तो ये भी 90 डिग्री है, and that is enough to say that these two triangles are similar. Similarity of triangle, if you don't like, use trigonometry, that also gives you the same answer itself. So both are same itself. So as the triangles are similar, ये 70 है तो बचा हुआ distance 20 है ना. The triangle XPQ में ये 20 है, ये x है, and similarly ये triangle में this will be 70. Yeah, this we can say 100 minus x. This we can say 100 minus x. हाँ, उसे फाइन कर सकता है ना, सिमिलैरिटी यूज करके 20 by 70 is equal to x by 100 minus x. Only one unknown is there in that equation. Simplify it or substitute options into it and solve it. Are you all understanding? So this is, yeah, this is the trigonometric way. This is enough. Yeah, trigonometric way, or yeah, here I have used the trigonometric way itself in the slide. No problem, trigonometric or both the cases, the comparison is going to be the same itself. So anyway, I hope you understood it. Just a minute. All of you clear? Actually, yeah, here actually what I have done is this and this is compared. You can compare this and this also. That is up to you. This triangle similar to this triangle is also correct, because this is 90, this is 90, this is theta, this is theta. Otherwise this is theta, this is theta. ये triangle compare कर सकता है, दोनों सही है. Are you understanding दोनों क्यों सही है? So here XPQ triangle, XYQ triangle compare करके आंसर निकाला है. XPQ में क्या है? ये 20 है, 20 by 70, sorry 20 by 90 is equal to x by 100. वो इक्वेट किया तो आंसर मिलेगा 22.22. अदरवाइज दिस ट्रायंगल कंपेयर किया तो भी चलेगा. अदरवाइज सिमिलैरिटी ऑफ ट्रायंगल यूज किया तो भी चलेगा. हियर ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज किया है, tan theta is equal to opposite by, in this explanation tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Here also tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So that tan theta is same. I have already shown in the previous 1 or 2 questions. Now that is when I am not explaining more about why trigonometrically and geometrically it is giving the same answer. So yeah, trigonometry and geometry are the same. School days that was also a mistake. Trigonometry एक separate topic था, geometry एक separate topic था. हाँ, separate topic ही है, लेकिन ये दोनों का connection understand किया तो बहुत ही easy हो जाएगा. You will understand they are one and the same. They are just two different representation of the same thing itself. Okay, anyway, I hope it is clear to all of you. As I told in this chapter, the main thing is how you imagine the question properly. That is very, very, very important. Yeah, this one you try. This is a very different direction problem. More than direction, it is reasoning here. Yes, Arju, that was the last question was little trickier than earlier ones. Is it clear now? Solution clear or not? Okay, so some of you got an answer. Very good. So let us represent here. Here it is linear only. There is no north, south, east, west. So Michael lives 10 kilometers away from where I live. So I will denote I by the letter I itself. Michael lives 10 kilometers away from where I live means Michael and me, there is a 10-kilometer distance. 10-kilometer distance. Ahmad lives 5 kilometers away from Susan. Away, and Susan lives 7 kilometers from where I live. So Ahmad lives 5 kilometers away. Yeah, Ahmad is not involved in this. We don't know the connection between Ahmad and my position and Ahmad and Michael's position. So we will wait for the next sentence. And Susan lives 7 kilometers from where I live. So I live here 7 kilometers away means 7 kilometers to the right or to the left. That is possible, no? So 7 kilometers, yeah, top bottom also is possible. That is another thing, but that is not what question wants. That you will understand after reading the next sentence also. Yeah, once you read the full question only, you will understand what they want. So anyway, this can be two possibilities. ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So we will draw it after reading further. So Arun is farther away from Ahmad but closer than Susan from Arun is farther away from Ahmad but closer than Susan from where I live. So we will, for convenience, Susan 7 kilometers away, I will place Susan somewhere here. So that this is 7 kilometers. Now read the next sentence. Yeah, Ahmad lives 5 kilometers away also we can represent. Wo bhi Ahmad left or right is possible. So if Ahmad was here, just let us assume that possibility. Then 5 kilometers between me and Ahmad, I and Ahmad. Arun is farther away from Ahmad but closer than Susan from where I live. That means from my position, Arun is more away compared to Susan. Arun is more away, more closer than Susan but away than Arun. That means Ahmad position should be between Arun and Susan. Na? Arun's position will be, this is Ahmad position and Susan position. In between will be Arun's position. That is the meaning. Because it is after Ahmad, before Susan. That is what this sentence is saying. Arun is farther away from Ahmad. That means Ahmad ke baad hai. Lekin closer than Susan. That means Susan ke pehle hai. So Ahmad is already 5 kilometers. Susan is 7 kilometers. So 5 to 7 range it will be. 5 to 7 range. So from this information provided, what is the one possible distance at which I live from Arun's place? So Arun will be between 5 to 7 distance. Arun will be between 5 to 7. So any answer between 5 to 7 can only be accepted. That is only option C. Exactly what is the distance we cannot say from this information. But from the answer option we can say 3, 4.99, 7.01 answer nahi hai. Wrong option eliminate karna possible hai. So bacha hua option answer hai. Exactly, Preeti. Is that clear, all of you? This is a different kind of distance and direction problem. Yeah, kind of. In ranking questions also this idea is important, but GATE exam ranking question, it was not directly asked much. One time only it was asked directly. That is why I am not taking it as a separate chapter. So ranking may be a same idea. Ye jaisa sentence you can see it, but not with respect to distance, but with respect to ranks. So anyway, I hope it is clear. That is clear. Yeah, I think we can finish today's session here. You can try these extra questions. All of you, once more I am telling, please invite your friends, let more people join this course. I also have some personal commitments due to which I also have to travel in between. So, but somehow I will try to manage time for your course. So please make sure more people are there. That will be definitely encouraging for me to give more classes and give more time in this course. क्योंकि time constraint बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है अभी, लेकिन फिर भी even health issues in between, and that I'm trying to, sometimes the throat is not accepting for me to continue more lectures, but still I'm trying to adjust somehow. So please do a favor by inviting more people and spreading this course link to maximum people. ये playlist link copy करके maximum people को share करिए. And the minimum thing you can do is, if you felt a class is useful, do let me know through the like button, through the comment section. That itself will be a very big help for YouTube to know that ये course relevant है बाकी students के लिए, so that YouTube will recommend it to maximum people, and that will help me to give more quality content in the future, more free classes in this future. So that is one request to all of you. And yeah, some people ask me in the comment section, is it really this course completely free? Yes, it is completely free. Some people may think that how it is possible, how to give a complete free course nowadays. Earlier there were many platforms where you can see free courses, but currently free courses are very minimal. Like small free courses are only there. A full-length free course for GATE, it is very rare nowadays, but I am giving it because I have promised it in the beginning. Even if there is many constraints, I am trying to give it. So there it will be a complete free course. It is not like in between I will tell this is converted now to a paid course. No, paid courses parallelly will be running. That is a totally different thing. This is my channel and I will definitely deliver what I told you. So it is a complete free course and you will get complete free content through this platform. So believe it that it will be completely free till the end of the course itself. It will be free. So and but as I told, in between I will be taking off, but before your GATE exam I will complete the topics. That is what I can promise you. In between there will be break of 2-3 weeks. After 1 or 2 weeks there will be breaks of 2-3 weeks, but I will continue after 1 or 2 weeks. By that time you can invite more and more people, let more people comment, more people let me know that this course is relevant. So definitely I will complete this course before your GATE exam, before the 2023 GATE exam, that is for sure. So that's it. And CSIR-NET aspirants, if you want full-length courses are available in my profile, and from next week onwards we are starting a new course from November 10 to be precise. November 10th we are starting a full-length course. Current courses, complete course and practice course is running, and 2 p.m. there will be a new course starting in the Unacademy Plus platform, that is PYQ course, PYQ mock test course. वो course भी attend कर सकता है if you are taking Unacademy Plus subscription. As I told, paid courses will parallelly run in the Unacademy Plus platform. By taking Unacademy Plus platform you can access CSIR-NET courses, GATE courses, DBT courses, Vedic math courses, all at one single subscription. Not only my courses, all your subject educators courses also you can access. If you proceed with this process, you will get all access of all educators, all courses. So that is about Unacademy Plus subscription. Thus if you want to, you can be part of that also. For CSIR-NET and other exam preparation, you can use that. So that's it. Okay, thank you Aniket for the good words. So happy to hear, Aniket. Thank you for the good feedback. So happy to hear you, Vinesh. Thank you so much, Aniket. Yeah, to be frank, let me tell you, some people may be thinking, okay, YouTube revenue, I haven't started getting YouTube revenue like a considerable thing, because you people can see this channel as I am busy with other platforms of mine, other classes of mine. YouTube revenue is not a thing I get at all. So don't think that YouTube revenue is an inspiration. No, your encouragement is the only inspiration that is keeping me do this course or keeping me continue this course. YouTube revenue is like negligible, below, like to be frank, below 500 rupees also will not come in a month if you don't continuously give classes, continuously give content. This channel I was not able to focus continuously because there are many works of mine parallelly running in other platforms, the books I am writing, and other invited talks in other universities and other courses that I am running, due to which YouTube classes or YouTube revenue is not an inspiration at all currently. Maybe in the future, if you people encourage and I am able to give more courses through this channel, definitely at that time YouTube, what we can say, YouTube itself will encourage us more. But currently you are the only people who are motivating me to continue courses. And as I have told, I have plans for Vedic math courses also through this platform. just like GATE course, completely free Vedic math course. If this course is going successful and going well, definitely Vedic math course also I am planning. I cannot say when we can start it, but plans are there. Quality content for Vedic maths also, completely free. So stay tuned for this. If anyone haven't subscribed, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates of future free classes, and share it to maximum people. Spread the word. That is what I want to tell to all of you. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you all in the next class, and all the best for your preparations. That I want to tell you. Yeah, definitely for an educator, especially like me or educators like me, the best motivation is when students say that what we have done for them have made an impact. Especially now CSIR-NET scorecard came. Many people have contacted after the scorecard was released. That aptitude section they could do wonderfully. That helped them to increase their percentile or percentage. So that is a big motivation for giving more quality content. So let us know, let educators know if they have helped at least a bit in your success or in your improvement. That is one suggestion I have to all of you, not only me, any educators who have helped you, do let them know if it was helpful. After the exam, after the results, after the scorecard, that you can do. So not only this exam, any exam you are writing, if possible, if you can, let your educator know, whatever platform through which you can, through their YouTube channel or through their Telegram group. If you let them know, that will be a big motivation for them to know, okay, the things that we are doing is making an impact. So that is a very big motivation for educators to continue giving more quality content and to improve their content also. So your feedbacks are the precious thing, I think it is. So all of you who are watching this live or recorded, whenever possible, let me know what you felt about the classes. That will be a big motivation. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a good day. See you all in the next class. Okay, many of you are commenting. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you, Nishant. No problem, Aniket. Recording also you can watch, no problem. Live or recorded, yeah, if you watch live or recorded, that is totally up to you. According to your convenience you can do it, but whether you watch live or recorded, let me know what you feel about the classes. That is a request to all of you. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. See you all in the next class. These homework questions, please try. This question on the screen is a very interesting question. That Vivek question we discussed now, very similar to that. This question, draw the picture